You already know what time it is. We're doing some miracle knots. I got these small parts done by my mom, and this helped out so much because I hate parting my hair. So if you're like me, go ahead and let somebody part your hair for you. She barely put any product on my roots, which is what I like because I don't have time to be itching. Today I'm using Eayon Hair Store's Body Wave Crochet hair in the colors 4, 27, and 30. I love that the hair was pre-blended because it looked really cute. So as you can see, she already braided my hair down some, but I'm going to add 2 pieces of crochet hair into my braid. I like to add 2 pieces because it's going to match the thickness of my hair. And then sometimes when you add, well, not even sometimes, when you add a piece of crochet, it's only going to get added onto 2 legs of the braid. So by adding the second one, it makes sure all 3 legs has a piece of hair attached to it. As I braid down, I'm going to use some braiding gel, just something to kind of smooth my ends out, and that's just going to make the seamlessness of the braid. My hair typically holds pretty well, but once you get to the end of the braid, you can tie it into a knot. You just want to make sure that you definitely pass your actual hair so you're not knotting your natural hair.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
So this is what we're looking like. I actually liked it with just the ends being done, but of course I needed to finish the look. So this is what we're looking like right now, and I'm about to go back in and crochet some pieces into my braids. So for the back, I only crocheted 1 piece into the braid, and then as I got towards the front, I did 2 to 3 pieces. In this clip, you'll see I actually knotted the hair onto the actual hair, but you want to make sure it's knotted on the string or the thread that you see in the middle.
I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
As I get closer to the front, it's starting to definitely give knotless braids, summer style. I can't wait to do these again, like looking back at this video. but I just crochet the pieces in. As you can see, this is the second piece that I'm adding here. When I finished this style, I didn't even add any edge control or anything to my hair because I feel like with braids, they're supposed to be effortless. You're not supposed to have to do too much. And I don't know about y'all, but that braiding gel and all that stuff, it be making my scalp itchy, so less will always be more. This is the final look, y'all. This came out so freaking cute, and I know some of you guys might want to use more hair. I use 1.5 packs. I use 1.5 packs to get this full look, but if you want more curls, I definitely recommend getting 2.5. They sell them in half a pack, so one little small baggie has 50 strands in it, but if you order 1 pack, you're gonna get 2 of those baggies. I know it's a little confusing, but I just figured that out and I wanted to share it with you all. I hope you guys like this look as much as I did, and send me some pictures if you try it out on yourself.